Hide IP Address and tap Remove All Website Data. I recommend turning these options off. Did you know when visiting websites on your iPhone, you could be sharing more data than you realize, like your location or browsing activity? Let me show you the simple settings you should change to stay more secure. Hi friends! Welcome to Pre-Dev Tech. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm very close to reaching 1000 subscribers. Now, when you open Safari, you might notice there isn't a specific setting inside the app itself for most privacy controls. So for the real settings, you need to head over to your iPhone settings. Scroll all the way down, tap Apps, then scroll down again until you see Safari. Go ahead and tap on it. That's where you'll find all the important settings related to privacy and security. Now once you're inside, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. And the very first thing you should turn on is Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Let me quickly explain what this does. Imagine you're searching for something, like the new iPhone 17, on a website like Best Buy. Then later, when you open Facebook or another app, you suddenly start seeing ads for that exact product. That happens because websites can share your activity with each other. Turning on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking helps stop that data sharing between websites, and that means your browsing activity stays more private. Now, let's move on to the next important setting: Hide IP Address. Let me quickly explain what an IP address is. Think of your IP address like your home address on the internet. It tells websites roughly where you are and what device you're using. If your IP address is visible to trackers, they can use that information to follow your activity across different websites. So, turning this setting on helps protect your privacy and makes it harder for trackers to identify you online. Go ahead and tap on it, and make sure it's turned on for trackers. Now, there are a couple more important settings you should turn on. Scroll down and make sure Fraudulent Website Warning is enabled. And also turn on Not Secure Connection Warning. These settings will alert you if you're visiting a website that isn't safe or doesn't have secure protection. For example, if you're shopping online or entering payment details, this warning can help you avoid fake or dangerous websites. Now scroll all the way down. Tap Advanced, then tap Website Data. This section shows all the data websites have stored on your iPhone. Most of these will look familiar because they come from sites you've visited. But over time, this data can build up. So to clean it up, simply scroll down and tap Remove All Website Data. Think of this like cleaning your browser. Doing this occasionally keeps Safari running smoothly and protects your privacy. Now here's the important part. Scroll down again and tap Advanced Tracking and Fingerprinting Protection. You'll see two options: Private Browsing Only or All Browsing. Make sure you select All Browsing. This helps stop websites from tracking you across different sites and identifying your device. Next, you'll see Block All Cookies. Cookies help websites remember you, like your login, cart, and preferences. If you turn this on, some websites, especially banking or shopping, may not work properly. But if you're looking for new deals or discounts, blocking cookies can sometimes make the site treat you like a new visitor and show different offers. So for everyday use, I recommend keeping this setting off. Now, let's go back, because there are a few more important settings. Look for Location, Microphone, and Camera. If these are set to allow, websites can access them automatically. Instead, set them to Ask. That way, your iPhone will request permission before any website uses your location, camera, or microphone. Now, let's scroll up a bit. Here, you'll see Clear History and Website Data. tap on it, select All History, then tap Clear History. Doing this occasionally removes old browsing data and helps protect your privacy when using Safari. It's a simple habit, but it keeps your browser clean and secure. Now scroll up a bit more. Here you'll see Search Engine Suggestions, Safari Suggestions, and Recent Searches. These features can send your search activity to the search engine before you even press search. So, to keep things more private, I recommend turning all of these off. Now, go back and scroll to the top. Here, you'll see Apple Intelligence and Siri. You'll notice options like Learn from this app and Show suggestions. These settings allow Siri to learn from your Safari activity. So if you prefer more privacy, I recommend turning these options off. And that's it. Those are the key Safari settings I recommend changing right now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Bye. See you in the next video.